Hello, how you doing? Today I decided to make a video about how to recover a battery which is not working. I have a shop, I have a shop. I'm working on batteries for a long time, so I've been looking for a device which can make facilitate that for me, or can solve that problem for me. I have a lot of batteries in my shop, so they are getting dead on shelf. Their shelf is past, so then I didn't get the laptops to charge them, so the sales become very low. So I got this device from when I'm searching on online. The device is called Professional Laptop Battery Analyzer. I get it from Romania like 20 days before, and I've been working on it, and I become master of it now. So I want to share you a little bit, what I know, to show you a little bit what I get experience within these days. So I got a battery from my customer, and let me try to fix if we recover it back or not. But before that, let me show you the device. Okay, this is a magic device. It's very little, but it is magic. This is the device. Okay, this is the device. You can see, very small, but so very useful device. Everybody has to have it, especially for contest. It's very important. If you have a battery, maybe you kept it like 2 to 3 years or 1 year, it might be the sales are getting so slow. So if you try to sell to customer, and if you try to recharge it on using laptops, it must not, you might not recover them back. You might not, the board of the laptop may not be, not all of them, but some of them not be taking charge. So that's why I decided to buy this device. Let me go through what the device can do. This tell you the battery information about the battery, the capacity, and the cell voltage here, the cycle count, the charging current, charging voltage, everything it tell you. I will show you later by putting the pins. And the other menu is here. It's charge. You can charge the battery here without using laptop. You can discharge if you want it. Also another calibrate here. I will come up to this calibrate. It is very useful, as I said like 2 days before. If you change a new cell, you can calibrate to introduce the new cell to the BMS. And the other thing is checking your cells. You can check your cells here. Okay, let me connect the battery and then come up through again what I have said before. So my battery model, if you need to identify the pin, you can come here, find the battery pin out. See here, you just come down, select the model from the list, and then right here, for example, my battery today I'm going to show you is an HS04. Okay, let me find the pin out. It's gonna show me here is the pinout. So let me connect it. Okay, first one is plus. I connect the plus one. Okay, second one is I think it's D3 is for data, number 3, 1 2 3, and then the clock. Okay, the clock pin, and then number 8, which is the ground. Okay, it's so easy on these models. On the other you may plug 3 or 4 cables, but it's very easy. It's for, we'll show you everything on the help menu. There is another place which can get help online on their website. But let's try to start reading. If you want to know about information about this battery, you say start reading. See, you're going to start. Yes, I said start reading, but there is no any power on the cell, so I cannot, even if I connected the pin, there is no battery on the cell, inside the cell to initiate the BMS. The BMS means the battery management system, which is found in the battery case. So let's give it a power from the the from the battery analyzer to the battery, let's give it. To do that, you just you just click power on. Okay, see, now it's coming, the battery information is coming. Oh, this battery is so bad, so bad. It is locked, it is bad balance. Oh my god. And the cells are, one of the cells is very, very low voltage. So we will see how we're going to recover it back. Before that, let me go through about a little bit about information. Let's read the static data. Okay, when we read the static data, it's already written here. The manufacturing, the design voltage, the design capacities, all are here, and the device chemistry, which means about the chemicals inside, and the device name is, as I told you before, it is HS04. And let's read the capacity. The capacity of the charging means this is the current capacity, whether the battery have a capacity or charged or not. It is 0 volt already. No, it doesn't have. This one is the health. It tell you about the battery, whether it is good performance or not. Let's read and check if the battery is good condition. If this is not in good condition, if it is coming to fair or poor, you better throw it away, because the life is going down. But this one is almost 87. It is very nice battery, it is almost new, but it is still locked. So if it is locked, it's not going to take any current or any voltage. So let's try to find out how you are going to charge it. Let's try to charge with this using device. To charge, I have to stop giving power and stop reading and come to the charge menu. Let's try to charge. Okay, says I already clicked to charge. You say start charging. It's checking. See, question state of charge reached, it says. So I think has been yes, charging procedure has been stopped. The reason why is our the sales are very low. I think that's why. So for that, I decided to do another solution, which is increasing the sales of the voltage externally, giving the voltage externally by using power supply. Let me see. Let's try to. It says 100%, but let's try to discharge if it is having. Let's try. It's checking, yeah, the same thing here also. So what I have to do is, for this battery, first I have to give externally the voltage and come up to like 3 voltage, or total to be like 14 what you call 14 point something voltage. So I have to give I'm going to give 15 voltage with using externally. So let me see what can I do. Let me connect my power supply, and I will come back to the video and show you the steps. Okay, now what I did was I hook up my DC power supply and I get 15 voltage. So before that, let me show you the connection. What I did was I got this power supply here, as you can see here. I got through this with a cable here, and I connected the negative part to the negative part to the. Let me turn off the light because you cannot see it. We wait to turn it on. So see here, connect the negative part here, and I can connect the positive part here, but it is for general. I make a hole here in the battery, the other side, the positive part here, and I make a hook up here, a screw, kind of screw, to put to hook the positive part. So let's see. Let me make full my screen to show you more. Okay, yes, this is better. So see here, I hook up to here. So let's try to put my charger there, and better to minimize because it's not clear for you screen. So let's try to measure the voltage before I'm going to charge. Okay, let's try to hook up my multimeter and check the voltage. See, did you see it on the multimeter? Sorry, I'm not going. Oh, wait. See, it is almost. Oh, wait. Okay, let me show you. This, see, it is 7 point something. It's exactly 7 point something. 7.3. It is supposed to be 14 volt, 14 point something, because the rating is written on the battery 14 point something. You know. Let me put the DC power supply. Let me hook up and a little bit. You know, I'm not gonna give too much, but giving a little bit and checking. You know, I have to wait till this becomes the multimeter reading becomes 40, and then I unplug the power supply and come back to the battery analyzer. Okay, wait me. Okay, almost I gave him like 2 minutes. Now it becomes, you see, 13.64. That's enough, you know. The battery is getting a little bit warm up. So just to make it give externally a little bit power. Okay, now it becomes 13.58, which is almost 14. So let's try to hook up to the device and try to charge it again. Okay, now I'm finished hooking up, and let's try to read it again. Because see, let's see the reading, and let's put again the power on. Okay, see, almost it is the cells are getting good voltage. So it was very bad before, especially cell number 3, voltage number 3. It is like 600 something millivolt, but now it is almost 3 volt. So let's try to charge. Okay. Let's try to charge. The same thing again, but the reason why it's not charging is the chipset is not taking any current because it is locked up. It's charging, I think now. Oh, going down. No, it stops. So let's try to check again the reading. It is locked, so let's try to unlock. One of the best part of this device is unlocking, you know, the reset. You come to here, the menu, new reset, and then read the BMS. It's going to read the BMS. Says the temperature is too high. Let's to put power on state. Okay, and let's try to read again. New reset. Yes, it's reading now. It's reading. Let's say next, and then the chipset is. This is how you're going to select the chipset. Automatically select. If not automatically selected, you choose from here. You know, by knowing the chipset name. Now it's already selected. So next. Then first, before doing this, you have to unseal the battery. Here is the unseal battery. See, unseal it, unseal. You click the unseal battery. Yes, it has to be unsealed. Before that, normally you have to read the chip info. Read chip info. See that when you read the chip info, the error is here. This 00800 something 8800. See here, this is already sealed. Even it says it is sealed. It is sealed here. So what we have to do is we have to unseal it. Unseal. You click unseal. Is unsealing now here. The processor, the progress here. You can see it's 100%. So read info again. Then this is the error. So clear the error. The error is cleared here. It is, which means the chips is now unlocked. So let's read again the chip info. See, now it becomes 0 here. See, PF status becoming 0. So let's seal it. Let's seal the battery. It's now sealed. If we go to the information the battery and check the battery is unlocked, we can charge it. This battery is back to normal. Before that, I want to tell you something which is here, which is date cycle FCC of the battery. You know, this one is, you can change the date, you can put the cycle to 1, but this one is only possible if you change the new cells for the battery. Okay, for all battery, it's not recommended to do this because this is the company rule. So you cannot reset the cycle for all the batteries. Only you use for if you replace a new batteries. Okay, new battery for the BMS. That's the only way we can use. You don't have to use this one. You let's power off, and then in the reset, back to the information. Let's read it. See, now it is unlocked. Wow, this is why I love this device. See, it is unlocked now. So now it is unlocked, but it is bad balance, as you can see here. But this is the easiest part. Bad balancing means all the cells here, they are not in the same range. As you can see, some of them is 3 point something volt, which is 3400 milliampere. The next one is 3390 something. This one is 3104. This one is 3406. See, that's why. But we can make this one bring to good balance. How? You just come here, you stop reading, and you just come here and start charging. That's it. Let's see whether this battery is taking current or not. See, the progress is starting already. It has 3%. Let's take whether the taking the current. The current will increase here if the batteries start charging. If not, it continue like this. Let's see. Let's give you a little time. Supposed to start still. I don't know why, but maybe the fuse is blown. Maybe, yeah. I think the fuse is blown. That's why the battery even get locked state because of unbalancing cell. I think the fuse is blown because it's not taking any current here. If this is happening, I have to open the case and change the fuse or shorten the fuse to get battery current. But unlocking is this is how you're going to unlock the battery. So easy step. And see you next time. Maybe I'm gonna upload the next video after I shorten or changing the fuse. Before that, I don't think this is going to start because it is it's not taking any current here because of the fuse. I think we will see what we're gonna do next. But if you stop charging and come back to this battery information, the battery is unlocked. It is in good state. The reading capacity is 3, the hertz is 87, so we have to recover this battery now. Before that, I wanna check the cells. Let's check the cells. I think if there is any wrong battery there inside, let's check. This is one of the best part of this this device is checking the cell. It's going to check the cell and tell me whether they are good or bad cells. Let's wait. You have to wait. The battery is not detected. It says it's not allow discharging because because of that fuse. You see, I will fix it. I'm 100% sure that I will fix it. Okay, I'll fix. And the best part of this device is test. You know, you can test the battery first, and then it's tell you whether it is pass or fail here. And then you can, if you finish your work, you can give it to the customer. So interesting. I loved it. I've been saving so many batteries, so feel lucky. I will save this one with this one too. I will come back to the next video, but in the meantime I'm gonna show you from where I got this device. I'm gonna go to their website and I'll tell you this is their website, www.laptopu.ro. yeah, laptopu.ro, and you can purchase the device from here. It is already there are a lot of their product. You can get their products here. Let me minimize this and show you all the products are here. They have two products, I think, this one and the EV200. I think I bought this one. As you can see, the price is listed here with license, with 12 months license. And the guy, his name is Nikusur, I think. Nikusur, yes, Nikusur. He's so nice guy. He answered my emails and also chat with with me. We talk a lot with him, so he responds very well, and I hope you have to have one of these devices. Very interesting, a very nice device. If you need the software, it is here already. You can download their softwares from here. The softwares are here, the PDF, the manual are here. Their forum, the other interesting thing is the forum. You know, you can ask questions or you can get help through this. You know, this is the best part of they did. What I admired them is this one. You can get the help directly online from here. So I hope you like this video. So let me let me fix that fuse issue and come back with another video. See you then. Thank you very much.